yeah. Hey, Amaru. Only if you're ready. Let's go. I'm only looking for loyalty, all I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. Me no care about all the noise, but I'm digging your station. See how you got my head spinning with a body rotation. Couple days went by, now I'm losing my patience. Go ahead, drop a pin, girl, wanna know your location. What's your location? Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way out. I can switch it up for you, girl, I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day out. I'm only looking for loyalty, all I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love they do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. I did feel like with her we can take over nations, yeah. We can take a trip whenever, girl, you need a vacation. Number one bad girl, killing everything like on a mission. Girl on a mission. Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way out. I can switch it up for you, girl, I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day out. I'm only looking for loyalty, all I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. Amaru. Only if you're ready. Let's go. I'm only looking for loyalty, all I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. No care about all the noise, but I'm digging your station. See how you got my head spinning with a body rotation. Couple days went by, now I'm losing my patience. Go ahead, drop a pin, girl, wanna know your location. What's your location? Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way out. I can switch it up for you, girl, I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day out. I'm only looking for loyalty, all I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love they do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. I did feel like with her we can take over nations, yeah. We can take a trip whenever, girl, you need a vacation. number one bad girl, killing everything like on a mission. Girl on a mission. Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way. I can switch it up for you, girl. I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. Do you know she royalty? Do you know she royalty? Do you know she royalty? Hey, yeah. Oh my vibe on your oh my trot on your him no make you happy. No. Him no make you feel like I do. They both turning my way. Yeah. I can feel you warming up to me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Read up in the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Oh, stuck in my mind, things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long night, thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God, stuck in my mind. Oh my trot on your mind. Did not see you last week.
Morning guys, how you doing?
You will make it up to me. Just wanted you closer, closer. Electric feel when you brush up on me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Read up in the game.
How's your morning? How you guys doing?
Girl, you took my heart like a repo. All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Oh, stuck in my mind, things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long
Yeah, not too bad. Just I thought I'd jump on, do a quick stream. I'm gonna be leaving in a couple of hours. I'm just away for my wife's booked some luxury hotel / spa thing, so we dropped the kids off to their grands yesterday, and we're away there for a night today, and then tomorrow's Eid, which is like our Christmas. So yeah, I just thought I'd jump on. I'm good, just getting ready for work. Nice.
oh my vibe on your mind. Oh my trot on your mind. Oh my vibe on your mind. Oh my trot on your mind.
How's your trades? How's your guys' week been so far? I see you catching some pips, Anko. Nice to see. You missed the gold sales. Yeah, I kind of got involved with this. So on gold, now I'm gonna probably see how price reacts here, and then probably secure some. You too as well, DV. You too as well. So gold, again, what did I see on gold? Just gonna turn off this. for a second. So gold, the last kind of break we really saw was we kind of had this push down, we had this internal pullback, and then we had this push down. So when price came up here, we failed to close above this region here. As you can see, we failed to close above, so we had this high that broke this low and created this low. So here was our pullback on this, failed to close above that, and then as we started to come down here, you could see we created some supply within this area, and that's where price reacted from yesterday. And then as price came down into this demand, you could see we had a little reaction, and then price failed, and then we started to pull back. So as we started to pull back, based upon this area of supply. Now you could see on a lower time frame, we got like a nice indecision candle here, and price kind of reacted from that, and then started to sell off and then pull back here. So on the retracement here, I thought, right, I'll kind of get in. So overall, we've still been bearish, even though we've had this pop up. What I would have wanted to see here was a clean break above that previous high there, and then kind of, now I'm not saying that we're still not going to go higher, but we still have some unmitigated areas of demand below. You know, we have this demand zone, and then we have this demand zone that are both unmitigated. So I'm expecting price to kind of work its way either into this zone or come deeper into this region based off the low to the high. So you could see price pulling back into this kind of area. But the only thing I'm going to kind of look at is I'm going to secure some partials here. One, because I'm not going to be on the computer too much, and two, in this pullback we've created this. Now if we had created a high here and then broke structure, then I was more comfortable kind of trading this, because in this pullback we had this big rally, had consolidation, dropped here, which is a pullback to this. Now we could just be doing high here, this over here. So I'm just going to see how price reacts here. The likelihood is we do continue down, because as we did this, you would have really expected price to break above that, but we failed to do so, and now we're kind of coming down. So if we break out of this, I'll look at taking some partials over here, and then letting the rest ride down into this area of supply. I'm not really going to target the extreme over here. I'll be pretty happy with this move down into this region here, which will be pretty good. And then also I had I closed like 80% of my trade on AUD JPY, so that was a pretty nice trade I took. Pretty straightforward price action. So we can see in the higher time frame, daily time frame, we came into this daily area of supply as a rejection point. Now typical support and resistance, we've got support there, resistance there, support, but that's not my entry reason. If we look on the 15-minute, you know, we're working our way up here, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high. We do this, and then here we break. So we break with some strong momentum, and then you could see we never come back deep enough, and then we get another break, which is over here. So now internally, what have we done? We created this high that caused the previous low to break and broke this low, and then within this we created kind of this internal breakdown, and then here we had the change of character, pulled back perfectly into this area, and all I was looking to do is trade the current swing pullback into this area of imbalance. So you can perfectly see, and we have this unmitigated area of supply sitting above. Lower time frame shifted bullish, so have a look at your gold trade.
I did feel like with her we can take over nations, yeah. We can take a trip whenever, girl, you need a vacation. Number one bike,
Yeah, it reacted off the 70 to 79 perfectly. So yeah, so leave this gold trade running. Just break this swing nicely and work our way down to this region. So yeah, that was AUD/JPY. Nice, perfect internal structural shift, and then lower time frame. As price came into this region, 70 to 79, we bounced off of it, we respected this demand, and there's my entry. So I currently close 80% up over here, which was 82 pips. And then I'm still in this. I closed some profits on Euro GBP. So similar scenario in Euro GBP. So you can see we've been selling off massively, whether we look at the 4-hour chart, whether we look at the daily chart. You know, price has just been aggressively selling off. So you could then see as we're working our way down, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, boom, change of character. And we get that change of character with volume. So we've kind of entered a pullback. So as price came back, tapped into that 50%. As we started to push off, there was my entry. My original stop loss was below the swing low of this. But then as price pushed off, and I secured profits, some profits, like 60% profits at like 45 odd pips. I've just left the rest running now. You know, reaction to this probably might see a pullback, and then I'm expecting a continuation to mitigate some next areas of supply sitting further above. So nice straightforward price action, guys. You know, sticking to the rules, sticking to what we know. We got AUD USD here. I'm personally not going to take any more trades today. I've kind of caught my gold trade, and I'm already still in Euro GBP, so I'm pretty happy with this. But we could see a nice pop to the top side to fill out some of this imbalance. You know, since we had this high, broke this low, and we kind of just came down. So we could now see price work its way back up to some areas of supply. Mark the high to the low. We have a couple of key areas. Perfect area here. We have an area above, but I think 0.67600 is a good region from this point to work its way back up. And multiple confluences with this continue down. We have Asian range, Asian liquidity sitting below here, this entire region. So we could probably see a pullback straight into this area.
Yeah. Oh my vibe on your mind. troto ma. Him no make you happy. No. Him no make you feel like
If anyone has any charts, any questions, feel free just to drop it in the chat. Like I said, it'll be quick. I'm probably not on for much longer.
I can feel you warming up to me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Ready to play the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she
Hey Razio, sorry, I just saw your message. Hope you're well.
for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God, when you're stuck in my mind. Oh my troto, your mind. Did not see you last week. Told me you will make it up to me. Just wanted you closer, closer. Electric feel when you brush up on me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Ready to play the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Oh, stuck in my mind. Things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind. Long night.
Do you have any news today? What news is? So we got CAD news, and then some dollar news.
Things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind. Long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind.
So we could see some nice shorts here in pound AUD. But I would personally be waiting for price to see if it comes up into an area of supply here, because we have equal highs here with liquidity, and we have that imbalance, and we kind of had this push up, pull back, break a structure, change a character, so liquidate all the liquidity above here and then continue pushing down. At least look to trade it into this area of demand. Seems like a decent trade idea. Yeah, Anchor, I definitely will do. Yeah, defo for sure. GJ was perfect buys yesterday. I just wasn't watching GJ. I think Ryan posted his analysis. You could perfectly see we had an M15 breaker structure here. Price perfectly pulled back into this the fib zone, mitigated this area of demand here, and then going down to the lower time frame at the 3-minute chart. You can see we kind of came down here, pull back, broke again, change of character, pull back into demand, and then that's it. Price was off to the top side. So that's quite a nice. So the entry would have been, say, somewhere around here. Stop loss below this swing. Target the previous week high. That was a 6-hour trade, 6.7-hour trade. Right guys, very short, so I'm going to be off. I'll be back on Thursday on the charts, so have a good one. Thanks for jumping on. Trade safe as always, stick to the rules, and I will catch up with you guys soon. Take it easy. See you guys later.